Welcome, sweet family. I'm getting some potatoes peeled and cut up. Eric's made a meatloaf and got that in the oven. And I'm going to be making some creamed potatoes. So I'm going to get these all cut up and washed real good. I wash them after I've peeled them. I don't know how many of y'all do that, but that's how I did it my whole life. I grew up being the potato peeler for my mama. That was my job, and I can hear her now. Janice Rose, you're peeling away half the potato.
Well, what's funny is I get out the little potato peeler, and I just fly through them with that, but she can't, and I can't do them.
I use one of those potato peelers to save my life. This is just how I do it. And he says he'd cut his thumb off.
Yeah, I can't do it the way she does it, but that's okay.
Yeah, this is just how I do it. I'm gonna make some creamed potatoes. I might have already said that. But,
those are good too.
yes, they are. They're very good. We had these potatoes over there and in the bin, and I thought I gotta fix these before they go bad. Some of them's got a few bad places on them, but you know what? You just cut around them. That's all you do is just cut around them. I cut you a little chunk out of that. We're gonna have to see how this one is because it's got some bad spots. Oh, not too bad. They didn't go that deep, so you just want to get in there and just cut it out. And it's fine.
Yep.
It's fine to do that. Okay, I'm going to be fixing some green beans the old way while the meatloaf's cooking. And I don't have any home canned beans, so I'm using just canned green beans from the store. I've got them in my pot. I've got this turned up on high to bring them to a boil. I saved my bacon grease. I do not put a lot in here. Here's my jar of bacon grease. Every time we cook bacon, it goes in my jar and it goes in the refrigerator so that I have it for seasoning with. My mama, she used to just season with lard. And people look up and research. Lard is not as bad for you as what you think. I'm going to get this to going. Might put just a little bit more in. Because I've got 2 cans of beans. So I'm just going to take my finger and swoop down in there. Let it just swoop. Now when this comes to a boil, I'm going to turn it down on simmer and I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to let these just simmer until that meatloaf gets done in about 46 minutes. And when we're about 20 minutes into the meatloaf being done, I'm going to start cooking the potatoes and let them get done. Then I'm going to make my cream sauce to go on them. And we will be back and show you that. This is how my green beans are looking. I just took off the lid to show y'all. You can hear them. It's going to be good. Okay, I'm getting ready to make my cream sauce. I got to make my roux first. So I've got 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to whisk this. And you're going to whisk it until it's smooth. Then let it kind of let it just cook for about a minute or so. I've got my heat down between 4 and 3 on my stove. Might turn it down to just 3. Just want to let this get all cooked good together in there. When it kind of gets set up for you, you want to whisk continuously. You can make this in a skillet if you want to. I didn't get the skillet out, so I'm making it in this pan. But certainly wouldn't hurt to make it in a skillet. That looks like it's cooked pretty good. Looks like it's pretty smooth. So I'm going to add in a cup of milk slowly, and I'm going to whisk while I'm doing this. Harry's done got the meatloaf out of the oven. We're letting it set a little bit, and the green beans are done. Okay, that was our cup of milk. Now, we're just going to keep whisking this. Get my other stuff over here ready. Kind of let it get thickened a little bit. This may take a minute or two. I've got my burner down on about 3 right now. What that was. Look like a piece of flour cooked on the pan. But yeah, make sure you keep whisking. As soon as the potatoes was fork done, I drained them and then put them back in the pan, and I've just got them sitting aside waiting for the cream sauce. Hope y'all having a good day today. It's actually, I think, supposed to get up in the about 71 or 2 here in Kentucky today.
Yep.
I wore a sweater to church this morning, but boy, I sure don't need one now. And having that oven going warmed up the house.
Yeah.
But that's okay, because that meatloaf's going to be good.
Yeah, buddy.
I was going to make some cornbread, and I kind of wish I had it, because that would have been perfect with this. This will start to thicken. You don't have to let it get just like super thick, but you want it to thicken up some. I think that has thickened up. Cream potatoes are so good. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. And I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream and whisk as I'm going. These are so easy to make, and they're so good. If you want to just make some comfort food, buddy, this is it. Okay. Now I'm going to add in some salt and pepper. You just do it to taste. And I'm going to get ready to pour this over the potatoes. Try to get all that out that you can. Oops, sorry about that. I like to just shake them around. I'm going to take this and kind of just move them around and get them coated good. Oh, you talk about good. And then I take it a step more. I put parsley on them. We like parsley.
Yep.
That's optional. You do not have to add that. You just do what you want to do. We like it. So. Okay. That's our creamed potatoes. Now we're going to plate everything up. There's the meatloaf. Great big iron skillet. Just about to show you how big that skillet is. Here's Eric's plate, all plated up. Creamed potatoes, green beans, and meatloaf. And now my sweet Eric, he's going to taste test. We'll see if we can get an eye roll or
Probably.
two or three. Green beans got an eye roll.
Okay, now for your potatoes.
Now we'll see about these creamed potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Now the meatloaf.
Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
So there you go, our Sunday dinner. I should have made cornbread, but I didn't. But I hope y'all enjoyed our video. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Hope y'all have a blessed day, and we love y'all.